Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ford Explorer Limited all-wheel drive, stock number E1059A. 62,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, Tuxedo black metallic in color. The Explorer is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. Seats fold flat for additional cargo space and tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Power stowing rear seats. Fold with a push of a button. Also reverse to the upright position. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Dual moonroofs overhead. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen My Ford Touch infotainment system for navigation, automatic temperature control with heated seats, heated steering wheel, and cooled seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Radio. It's also satellite radio capable.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, with the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, power moonroof and sunshade control, and home link transmitter for ground. Under the hood, this Explorer has a 3.5 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Explorer, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.